After finishing the Hobart trip, I was excited about the upcoming work experience component of the Year 10 Engineering Initiative. I soon learnt my work experience was at Botanical Resources Australia, an industry working with pyrethrum. On my first visit, I met my mentor, Ray Howe. Ray Howe grew up in Penguin, attending Penguin High School and then Helier College. Ray joined the Navy straight after college and studied mechanical engineering at the Australian Defence Force Academy. He then spent 6 years as a marine engineer on Navy ships. Since leaving the Navy in 2006, Ray has worked as a maintenance and reliability engineer at the Hobart Zinc Works and is currently the plant engineer at Botanical Resources Australia. I got to tour the facilities and attended work meetings, so I was up to scratch with what was going on. After being inducted, I didn't require constant supervision. I teamed up with Ray to begin our first project. My first project was to write a method for the removal of a fire pump and its surrounding shed. I found this experience quite valuable because at school we practiced writing scientific methods, but now I was finally writing one for a real-life situation. I'm pleased to say the fire pump was successfully removed. Project 2 was a bit more involved. Normally a truck would come to collect the unwanted leftover plant product from the silo. The truck driver would stand on the side of his truck to rake the product evenly over the back of the truck. This method was deemed unsafe. As solving the problem is the responsibility of an engineer, I was given this task to work on. First I had to write what the problem was and what a successful outcome would be. Keeping that in mind, I then started creating some concepts to solve the issue. I drew up different types of scrapers, using different methods and equipment. Being an engineer was sounding excellent, always facing new challenges. After completing several concepts, Ray and I selected ideas we liked and drew a detailed design of the scraper fit for the job. After measuring the different components, all that was left was erection of the scraper. Challenge 3 involved moving a machine called Oscar. Oscar is a briquette machine being fed with some of the unwanted plant product through a long pipe from the silo. Moving Oscar meant re-angling the pipe. Using some scale diagrams and my trigonometric skills, I found an ideal location for Oscar and the relative angles and distances. Then, using fluorescent pink spray paint, I marked out where Oscar was to be placed. I absolutely loved working with Ray at Botanical Resources. It was such an amazing experience and an excellent eye-opener into the world of engineering. I love being able to use maths and science in real life. I can't wait for the Australian Maritime Engineering experience.